Morning guys, it's day 2 of the Madeleine challenge, and the mixture has risen sort of, well, it's gone all bubbly overnight in the fridge there, and we're about to take the Madeleine mould that has been oiled and floured out of the freezer, which has been in there now for half an hour. So that's what that looks like there. That's floured and oiled. So the oven is actually at 180 for our fan oven there, so that's that. And that's them going in there.
Right.
So we're about ready then to stick it in the oven. Let's see what it looks like. That's what we're looking for. Nicely levelled Madeleine mould there.
12 minutes then.
12 minutes in the oven at 180 fan, 200 if you've not got a fan, obviously. We've got a smaller mould. We're just doing another batch, as it were. We're using sunflower oil, and we're just dabbing it all in the other moulds now. So we've got more plain flour, and we're just quite literally covering the moulds with that flour. So that's the idea. We've done half of that mould. We're just going to bung it in the freezer now for half an hour. So 12 minutes later, look at that, all cooked to perfection. Good enough to eat as they are, but no, we're going to have to let them cool, and then the chocolate is deployed. And yes, I haven't touched a square. There it is, full pack. You can actually microwave this to melt, so that's what I'll be doing. But I can't get over these. These are really looking really special there. How can anybody not get excited about having Madeleines on Bastille Day? How can you not get excited about that?
I don't know.
It's the ultimate French finesse.
Oh yeah.
French finesse, and meticulously made and nurtured for the last 12 minutes. There's the other one then, and as you can see, we've only got enough for another 9. So there it is then guys, that's the underbelly of the Madeleine, and Bunny's happy with that as well. Here's the other batch guys, and look at the one on its own, the hump is very visible. Right, okay then, final stage of the Madeleine. As you can see, they're all ready for chocolate, and here it is. Extra dark chocolate. It says between 60 and 70% cocoa. We have to break this up into there. It's all in there. There's not a single piece of the bar in my mouth. And it tells me to then put it in the microwave for 30-second bursts until 3/4 of the chocolate is melted. Let's see how that works. And now you can dip your Madeleines, the bottom edge, so not, probably see from this, you got the ridges on it, you've got to do it on this edge, dip that edge in and cover them all in chocolate. So from there to there. I mean, don't you just want to eat them all now? Yeah? Absolutely gorgeous. So dainty, so tasty, so Bastille Day.